Heron's formula, class 9th mathematics, NCERT exercise 12.2, second questions. Here find the area of a quadrilateral ABCD in which AB is equal to 3 cm, BC is equal to 4 cm, CD is equal to 4, DA is equal to 5 cm and AC is equal to 5 cm. So according to the questions, इसमें ये कहा जा रहा है कि जो एरिया क्वाड्रिलेटरल ABCD है उसका हमें एरिया फाइंड आउट करना है और क्वाड्रिलेटरल का जो साइड हमें लेंथ हमें गिवन है, क्वाड्रिलेटरल के साइड का लेंथ हमें गिवन है. तो फर्स्टली वी हैव टू ड्रॉ द क्वाड्रिलेटरल. पहले हम क्वाड्रिलेटरल ड्रॉ करेंगे. सो उसमें क्या दिया हुआ है, AB इज इक्वल टू 3 सेंटीमीटर. सो वी मेक AB इज इक्वल टू 3 सेंटीमीटर. देन BC इज इक्वल टू 4 सेंटीमीटर एंड CD इज इक्वल टू BC इज इक्वल टू 4 सेंटीमीटर. ABC C is equal to 4 centimeter and CD is equal to 4 centimeter. CD is equal to 4 centimeter and DA is equal to 5 centimeter. DA is equal to 5 centimeter. DA is equal to 5 centimeter and then also AC diagonal given here. AC is equal to 5 centimeter. So in quadrilateral ABCD having two triangle ABC and ACD. Triangle ACD. So firstly we have to say according to the ABC in triangle ABC, so two triangle ABC and ACD will make a quadrilateral. Make this quadrilateral. Then according to in triangle ABC, all side given AB, BC and AC, we have to solve the AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. This is 5 square is equal to 3 square plus 4 square. So 25 is equal to 9 plus 16. So 25 is equal to 25. So according to Pythagoras theorem, these triangles are applied at the point right angle triangle. At the point B is a right angle triangle and adverse of Pythagoras theorem. So this triangle applies. So triangle ABC applies the converse of Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem. Then according to Pythagoras theorem, AB is the base of the triangle and BC is the height. So area of triangle ABC goes for half into base into height. Converse also called adverse of Pythagoras theorem. So height. So this goes for half into base goes for 3 centimeter and height goes for 4 centimeter. And this is centimeter square. So 2 to the 4. So it goes for 6 centimeter square. So area of triangle ABC is 6 centimeter square. Then you have to find the area of ACD. So with the help of Heron's formula, area of triangle ACD is equal to root under S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. So firstly we have to find the S. S is semi-perimeter. S is equal to A plus B plus C upon 2. So we have to know A, B, C. So this is A, B and C. So this is goes for 5 plus 4 plus 5 upon 2. So this is got 14 upon 2 is equal to 7. Then the finally area of triangle ABC, area of triangle ACD is equal to, put the value of S in formula, Heron's formula. So 7 into 7 minus 5 into 7 minus 4 into 7 minus 5 centimeter square. Then solve them. 7 into 2 into 3 into 2 centimeter square. Then it goes for 7 to the 14, 14 3 ja 7 to the 14, 14 3 ja 42, 42 to the 84. So root 84 centimeter square. Then you have to find the square root of 84. So what is, how can you find? By the division method. 84. So this goes 9 9 ja 81. 3.00. Here comes 18. Then it goes for 2 to the 4, 8 to the 16, 2 and 2 1 3, almostly 2. So it goes for 9.2 centimeter square, almost. Then finally area of quadrilateral ABCD is the area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle ACD. Then area of triangle ABC is 6 meter square, and area of triangle ACD is called 9.2 centimeter square. Then finally 15.2 centimeter square is the finally area of the quadrilateral ABCD. So I hope you got better understand these questions. So please like, subscribe and share the channels. Thank you.